We interrupt your current internet-based activity to bring you an important message. This is not a test. This is a national emergency. Important information and instructions will follow shortly. The people of the internet has issued a severe red alert for the entire United States effective immediately until further notice. In May 9, 2018, the U.S. Senate will discharge a petition to force a vote in the CRA, and the vote to overturn the FCC's vote to repeal net neutrality made last December will take place relatively soon after that day. All U.S. citizens are advised to call and tweet to their senators and representatives, provided that there's no indication that they are supporting the resolution to block the FCC's repeal. If someone you know who lives in any of the following states, Alaska, Louisiana, Colorado, Utah, Florida, Nevada, Arizona, and South Carolina, tell them to call their respective senators. But if you yourself live in any of the aforementioned states, call your senator or senators immediately. If we do not take full action, not only will it affect our rights to access YouTube and a whole bunch of other websites, but it would be very devastating to small businesses such as hotels and restaurants. Because of this, all future activities in this channel as well as other channels all managed by the owner of this YouTube channel will be suspended until further notice. Repeating, the people of the internet has issued a severe red alert for the entire United States effective immediately until further notice.